Bring a taste of the 50s to your kitchen with the Swan Retro Microwave. Its timeless design and powerful 800-watt output with a fantastic MAF E rating means it's the perfect combination of style and high performance. Despite its compact appearance, it has a generous 20-litre capacity and 5 power levels. It's ideal for cooking a whole variety of foods without taking up too much room on your worktop. Its convenient digital display uses bright white LEDs, adding a modern twist, meaning you can choose the required time quickly and easily. And its 2-year guarantee offers that additional peace of mind. The Swan Retro Microwave, designed for life.
Thanks for watching. If you're ready to take action, click the link in the description below this video now.